This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have a minimal HTML file and a target div. Now add the CDN scripts for React and React DOM. Include them in the head or just before /body so they load before your app code. Once added, create a small inline script that uses React DOM. Render or create root to mount a basic component into hash root. Make sure to use the matching development or production CDN links for your environment to avoid runtime mismatches. With the libraries loaded, decide how you'll author components, plain JS or JSX. If using JSX in the browser, include Babel standalone and set your script type equals text/Babel. Write functional components and import patterns by referencing globals like React and React DOM. For React 18+, call React DOM. Create root document. Get element by ID root. Render app/. Once done, test state updates and event handlers locally, and switch script src to the production. To finish, replace development CDN links with production minified builds and confirm your app runs in that environment. For larger projects, migrate to a bundler, but CDN is great for demos, widgets, or quick prototypes. If things go wrong, first verify script order, React before React DOM, then your app. Next, check versions for compatibility and look at console errors for missing globals or transpile issues. If you still see problems, reload bypassing cache and double-check your JSX.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.